exam result. Know how the 12th marking will be done. What can be the formula regarding this? After the cancellation of the 12th examination, there is a worry in the mind of the students that how their marking will be done. However, CBSE has not given any clarification in this regard so far. But it is expected that the 12th will also be marked on the same basis as the criteria set for the class 12. CBSE class 12 board exams, after the meeting chaired by the Prime Minister, the class 12th exam CBSE board has also been cancelled. Now after the cancellation of the exam, the biggest question is that how will the marks of the students who appeared this time be prepared? Regarding the marking from the government, it was told that it will be prepared in a time-bound manner according to well-defined parameters. Union Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank said in a tweet that the result of class 12 will be prepared in a time-bound manner according to the completely clear objective criteria. In a statement on behalf of Nishank, it was said that like last year, if some students wish to appear in the examination, that such option will be provided to them by CBSE if the situation becomes favorable. Assessment based on the 3 years performance. Although the government or CBSE has not issued any kind of circular regarding the marking in the 12th examination, but it is expected that the 12th class will also be marked according to the criteria that have been made for the preparing the class 10th exam result. That is, the school will make marking on the basis of the performance of the student for the last 3 years and will send these marks to the board within the stipulated time. The students who have participated in the assessment process of the school for only 2 years will be marked by the school on the basis of assessment of 2 years. In addition, those students who have not participated in the assessment process in any of the 3 years in the school will be informed by any means, and examinations will be conducted for them on the basis of the optional question paper, on the basis of the maximum marks scored in it. The marks of those students will be prepared and it will be sent to the board. CBSE may form committee for assessment. Although no clarification has been given by the CBSE in this regard, but a news published in the Indian Express states that CBSE will constitute a committee for alternatives arrangements for the making and the marking process. Priority will be given to the internal assessment of the students before this committee. Announcement of norms today or tomorrow. Regarding how the marks will be given to the students, the Indian Express has told that on June 2nd or 3rd, CBSE can announce the marking method. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.